I have got a buddy, a mutual friend, Chad, who's been talking about the Dream 100 with us in our real estate business for like years. And I had a feeling that you and I had talked about it. So It almost seems like this JLD, John Lee Dumas, from Entrepreneurs on Fire, it almost seems like he was maybe one of your Dream 100.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
So like, what did you do to dig that well before you needed the water?
Here's the thing. The Dream 100 is essentially a concept. Maybe we should explain it just real quick so people can understand, because it's really valuable. And actually, Russell made it very popular, but Dana Derrick's a buddy of mine and, fellow entrepreneur and podcaster, he really was the one who pioneered this whole concept. There was a couple of entrepreneurs in the past, but essentially what it is you write down 100 of your dream. You could say affiliates, you could say partnerships, collaborations, but essentially these 100 people have your audience. They serve your audience, your perfect avatar. And so you write down who those 100 people are who are already in front of the people that you want to serve. And then you make yourself useful. You add value, you give. And that's what happened with me and JLD, initially I supported him through actually purchasing his Freedom Journal, his Mastery Journal, then helping promote it. Then I knew he was going to a conference and I offered to take him on a 2-day biohacking experience with my former business partner. We did a 2-day, very intense, full. We charged normally $7,500 for this 2-day, and we gave it to him for free. So we added a ton of value with this, and then we basically just stayed in touch, and I added value to him on his book launch, and just always supporting each other, however we could. But me more so than him, because he's a busy guy, and a lot of people want his time, and a lot of people ask for stuff. So that's kind of how it happened. And again, the concept is just give as much as you can and add as much value as possible, and just keep your finger on the pulse. Like, one of the best things I've ever done was unfollow everyone on my social media but my Dream 100. And now some people have crept in, I'll say, oh, okay, I'll follow you back. People like Adam. I'm like, all right, come on. No, I'm kidding. I obviously still follow you, but here's the thing. When I go on my feed, I look at it, my team runs the majority of my social media, but when I look at it, I see what these people are doing, what they are creating, what content is resonating with, AKA my audience, and so it's really almost like you're using social media not as a consumer, but more as a producer, and you're seeing what's effective. So it's very important to identify that Dream 100.